Hello, everyone. Honest review about the pop-on veneers. Like 2 years ago, I had this tooth removed, this one, because it hurt so bad. And I mean, the pain was excruciating. I just had it removed. Then, of course, I started feeling self-conscious about my smile. So I saw the pop-on veneer commercial and I gave it a try. And here's my veneers. Wait, first I had to do it 3 times because the first 2 impressions they sent me was too small. So they sent me the other size, which was, the size that I needed. And it was all for free. I didn't have to pay for a kit or anything like that. So that's awesome. So these are the teeth right here. And let's put them on. Just pop on. Yes, I absolutely love it. Got my smile back. Wait. All right. Bye-bye, guys.